here at the orientation meeting of the pre-nursery section. And why are we gathered here? We are gathered here to know each other, to meet each other, and talk about your young children and their online classes. You know, it is a very awaited moment. We know there are many questions, many queries in your mind, many questions, many queries in your mind related to the pre-nursery online classes because your children are young. And to let your children go, when we talk about the physical classes, it is very, very difficult for the parents to let their children go, and initially they stand at the doors and please हमारे बच्चे का ख्याल कर लीजिएगा, please इनको देख लीजिएगा, all right? So right now we are about virtual classes. So I think you are lucky. You are very lucky right now if you think from this aspect that the beginning classes of beginning days of your child related to education is something that you can directly connect with. Otherwise, what happened? You used to be there with your children, you used to be there with them for an hour or so, and then gradually you leave, and then the children are with us. And you do not know what is happening inside. But we do make sure, we keep on letting you know through the meetings and everything about what is happening. But that again, you're just hearing. But now you'll be listening, you'll be watching, and you will be a part of learning with this dynamic system of education. You know, we'll be answering today all your queries and we'll be trying our level best to satisfy you. These online classes for your children, they are starting from September, but we have been running these online classes since June, and from August, we have started the new session. And let me tell you one thing. These classes are very, very successful because we are working day and night to make them successful. We are planning, we are involved. And when it came to the pre-nursery section, we all were alarmed. Oh my God, the young ones coming to school the first time, let's do something special for them. Let's design some special classes. So we have designed those special classes, and the way we had an overwhelming response from the children from the beginning and the way they were actively responding in the classes, the same way we hope to see an overwhelming response from your children also. You know, the children will be, normally parents have this thing, my children are glued to the screen, they're into screen time all the time. And now again in the online classes, they're watching the screen, they're looking at it. But is there something different from it, about it? They're watching the screen till now, and now being a part of this system of the online classes, there is a lot of difference. Whatever screen time was there in their life till now, it was related to something without an objective. They were just watching for the sake of watching. They were enjoying for the sake of enjoying. But the element of learning that is there now is something which is very different. Now the screen time is there with the element of learning, with the objective of learning. And we are making sure how to plan that the children, when they sit, they understand, oh, something special for us. Something special from Tom and Jerry and other cartoons. We are not giving cartoons, but we are going to make sure that the children enjoy and understand. We understand the difficulties and the activities that we have planned. They are very engaging, each and every partner. You know, the team that we have, we are all united, and each one of us have joined hands to make it a very interesting process for you and for your children. Why you? Because you also will be learning. It is not so that your child will be learning. You also will be learning along with them. And you will be enjoying, you will be a part. आप अपने बचपने में फिर से जाएंगे. सोचिए, हम आपके लिए आपके बचपन का सफर फिर से लेकर आए हैं.
मिसेस मकार, मेरे ख्याल में इससे पहले कि आप बहुत in depth जाएं of your introduction, I just wanted to welcome all the parents of the pre-nursery who have joined the Happy Home School system. Mrs. Nadia, if maybe I think I should have come first because I want to be represent on Happy Home School Management, which is there to welcome the Happy Home new parents. मुझे ये बार-बार पढ़ा जा रहा है कि people have not connected to the audio. Maybe they can't hear because they are not connected to the audio. अब parents आपका भी एक training session का ज़माना शुरू हो गया है when you have to learn all these techniques. So pre-nursery parents, जैसे कि आपके बच्चों का admission है, उसी तरह आपका भी admission हो गया है Happy Home School में. So please learn these digital and online techniques, and that is what Mrs. Waqar is going to be explaining to you later on. पहले हम आपके बच्चों से कहते थे और आपसे कहते थे कि बच्चों को ज़्यादा स्क्रीन टाइम मत दें, उनके हाथ से टैबलेट्स ले लें, मगर अब ये हो रहा है कि this has become a part of our teaching program. Because of the coronavirus, we have not been able to start physical classes. As you know that the Pakistan government has also not given permission to start online, to start the physical classes. That is why we have an online teaching program. And Happy Home has the great advantage and the opportunity that we are well staffed with very capable, mashallah, teachers and heads. And our teachers have put in such hard work into preparing these online classes for your children. So, ghabrana nahi hai. We will be explaining to you as we go along that how can we educate these. देखिए ये छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाना is a very difficult task. It's not easy. दुनिया भर में ये एक challenge है बच्चों के लिए भी और बड़ों के लिए भी of how to make that little child of age 3 and 4 to sit in front of the camera and to concentrate. ज़रूर मेरे ख्याल में हम question answers भी end में रखेंगे and you can ask us, but we want to take you through this whole session has been planned to sort of educate not only the child but to educate the parents of how they can help their child attend these online classes. So I'm so glad to read that one parent has written that our daughter is very excited about her online class. Now these देखिए हर चीज एक अच्छी काम के लिए भी यूज हो सकती है और एक गैर जरूरी तरीके से या not appropriately. So technology now can be used in a proper way to enhance teaching and learning. So we hope that you will be there with the child to, well, when the child is attending these classes, अब आप एक 3 या 4 साल की बच्चे को या बच्ची को unattended तो नहीं छोड़ पाएंगे. ये हम आपसे जरूर request करेंगे कि आप वहाँ मौजूद हों when the child is taking these classes, because it is just not possible for a child of that age, the pre-primary, pre-nursery age, to operate the laptop or the tablet or the cell phone, whichever device you're connected to. So we will need your support. As you know that all learning and teaching is only possible and successful if we have the whole triad is in place. And this triad is the parent, the teacher and the child. पहले जरा tilt जैसे हो जाता था child की तरफ ज़्यादा और school की तरफ ज़्यादा, teacher की तरफ ज़्यादा, but अब ये थोड़ा parent के साथ भी हमें आपका अब equal, अब आप इसको एक threat ना ले but एक difficulty ना ले, but एक opportunity ले to be more involved with your child's raising, and you will get a peek into the classroom. You will be able to see what is actually happening in the classroom as well. So that is an added advantage. Now, one thing that I would also like to highlight is that Happy Home School not only believes in imparting knowledge, but also believes in imparting the tarbiyat, the character building. what we believe in, the core values.
You're very much right, Dr. Maliha.
Geez, so that is what holds us apart from so many schools in Karachi or in Pakistan or all over the world. And we are very, very proud of the fact that Mrs. Maryam Farooqi set the foundation of this school in 1949. And from there on, our capable heads and teachers have carried on her mission. So, and that is that not only the child's knowledge of academics, but also the tarbiyat and the proper character building. That is why we have a value system at the Happy Home School. And we believe that whatever we teach at the school level, you, our parents, are going to support and reinforce that belief at home as well. जैसे सफाई निस्फ ईमान है, we believe that the children should be neat and clean. So when they're sitting in front of the camera, they should be appropriately dressed. Casual ठीक है, आप होते हैं घर पे, but उसमें भी अभी से instill करें बच्चों में how they should attend these classes. So these rules have to be started from day one, so that the child gets into the habit of attending a class. That is what we also want to teach through our online classes, not just the academics, the subjects, but what it takes to be a good human being. And that means doing their own work from a very early age, try to make them independent, wholesome individuals who can think on their own, who can decide on their own. They have all the skills of the 21st century learner, which is critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and all of these skills are so very important. And of course, the core values, they are extremely important for all the children to have. I would now, I think I have set the stage for what we believe in. And I would like Mrs. Waqar to continue with the actual nitty-gritty of the academics. And Mrs. Maryam Tahir is also there, who is an assistant. Both of them belong to the Quality Enhancement Cell, the QEC, and they look after the pre-primary section of the HHS system. So yes, Mrs. Waqar, please continue.
Thank you, Dr. Maliha, and thank you for letting the parents know that Happy Home, not only Happy Home system, not only believes in giving the academics, but the moral values also, Taaleem or Tarbiyat. Whenever it happens, I very proudly say I'm a Happy Homer myself. I'm very proud of it. And working here has made my joy double. So parents, mashallah, after hearing Dr. Maliha, I would like to further continue about telling how, because I know today you're all here to understand, to realize and to be a part of this system. And as I said, we are a triangle and we need to work in collaboration with each other. We need to work with mutual support. You know, your children were very young, are very young. Until now, they were dependent on you, looking at you for everything. Thank you, mister. Thank you for letting us know that you are there all the time. So, you know, children, there are different phases in a person's life, and in a child's life, these phases are very rapid. We adults, we have reached the norm of the species. We are just growing in age now. But for the children, there are milestones at every step. They are changing rapidly, and at every stage, they need your support. And in every age, there's a different requirement and a different mode of development, which has to be supported accordingly. Now, these children, they were dependent on you. Remember, for eating, for drinking, for everything, they needed you. But now they are growing up. They have to become an adult like you. You have reached the norm of the species. Now they are going to face the world. And this is not something that you have to do. ये बात ये नहीं है कि आपको उन्हें दुनिया से बाहर लेके जाना है, अपनी दुनिया से बाहर निकालना है. This is the requirement of their nature. The nature itself is ordering the child, go and explore the world and environment in which you live. Become independent. The nature is telling them, now you are not more a child, you are a miniature adult and you have to be an adult like the adult in front of you. उसे आपकी तरह बनना है. And all this has to be catered likewise. और उसके लिए किस चीज की जरूरत है? They need your support, they need your guidance to become an adult like you. You know, the child has a request. आपको पता है बच्चे की एक रिक्वेस्ट है जो नेचर से मिली है. We as adults, we are always looking for maids and servants to help us out. हर काम के लिए हमें जरूरत होती है. एक दिन मेड नहीं आती, हम परेशान हो जाते हैं. But in the child's life, there is no need for a servant. The child wants to become independent, and for that, the child has to do everything himself or herself. And this request that the child has for you is, help me to help myself. They want you to help them, but in a way in which they can help themselves. We have this urge of helping out the children every time, doing their work for them, but please let them do it themselves. Because all this thing that is around you, that you think we should be helping the child with, it is for the child, it is work. It is through this work that the child is developing. ये जो घर के अतराफ में काम है, छोटे छोटे काम बच्चे के, खाना पीना, अपने बिस्तर को सही करना, अपना खाना खुद खाना, अपनी बर्तन खुद रखना. For you, you think that you are helping the child by being a good mother and doing all the things for them. But for the child, it is not helping them to become independent. They are developing rapidly, and whatever they are developing, whatever they are becoming, the nature is helping them out. ये बात आप लोगों के लिए आप लोगों को समझनी होगी, but ये trained person बखूबी जानता है. Definitely, I'm not saying कि आप नहीं जानते. मगर जब हम स्टडी करते हैं बच्चे को तो हम समझते हैं कि why is their development so different than us. आपको लैंग्वेज सीखनी है तो क्या होता है? You have to go to some institute and learn it. But the children, they learn language automatically. And it becomes a part of them. And they can learn 1, 2, or 3 languages. And with the same pronunciation, with the same accent that is being provided to them in the environment. Because they have special powers. उनके पास एक absorbent mind होता है. उनके पास कुछ special periods होते हैं जिन्हें हम कहते हैं sensitive periods, जिसमें they have special sensitivity for things. What is this absorbent mind? ये चीजें जानना आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे आपके हैं, आप उनको समझेंगे इन बातों को, then you will be catering them. This mind is like a sponge. आपने sponge देखा है? You put it in the water and it will absorb all the water. अब आप पे डिपेंड करता है, पानी अगर गंदा है तो sponge उसी तरह absorb करेगा. And if the water is clean, like Ab Zamzam, it will absorb all that water too. And if the sponge is dirty water has absorbed, the sponge has become dirty. If it has absorbed clean water, the sponge is clean. But you can squeeze the sponge and you can take out the water. But remember, the child's mind is like a sponge also. Whatever exposures you are giving him, whatever you are giving in the environment, whether it is language, whether it is behavior, whether it is relationship, whether it is manners, whether it is culture, वो सब उसके माइंड के स्पंज में एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये स्पंज आप स्क्वीज करके निकाल नहीं सकते. You can't take out any of the things that have absorbed in his mind. So it is the dream of all of us that our children develop as good human beings, as worthy citizens of the world. So you need to be very careful how and what you are giving and what impact it is having in the children's personality. You know, at times बच्चे आके कुछ ऐसी लैंग्वेज इस्तेमाल करते हैं कि हम हैरान होते हैं कि हम तो ये लैंग्वेज नहीं दे रहे. So कहीं ना कहीं हम एडल्ट्स का रोल है इन बच्चों के अंदर इनकी पर्सनालिटी को बनाने में. Their learning style, their pace is different than from us. And as I told you, they are developing on the basis of the exposure. जो आप दे रहे हैं अपने environment में, उसकी basis पे एक definitely एक क्लीन स्लेट की तरह बच्चे का माइंड है. आप जो लिख रहे हैं वो उस पर हमेशा के लिए रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. सो वी हैव टू बिकम गुड रोल मॉडल्स. वी हैव टू गिव देम द काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट दैट वी वांट देम टू बिकम, द काइंड ऑफ, वी हैव टू बिकम द काइंड ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी दैट वी वांट देम टू बिकम. बहुत चीजें अवॉइड करनी है, बहुत चीजों का ख्याल करना है. यू सी, चिल्ड्रन हैव डिफरेंट स्पीच प्रॉब्लम्स. दे लिस्प, दे स्टैमर. बच्चे अक्सर तुतलाते हैं, हक लाते हैं. At times ये नेचर की प्रॉब्लम होती है, बाय बर्थ होती है, बट मेजॉरिटी इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ अस. क्यों? हमने तो बच्चे को नहीं सिखाया ततलाना, हमने ही सिखाया है. वी हैव टॉट इट. बिकॉज व्हेन वी टीच, बच्चे जब प्यार से बात करना शुरू करते, व्हेन दे स्टार्ट टॉकिंग इन very innocent sort of language, very cute language, and we start talking to them like that. Oh, mera pala pala bachcha, ta talla hai. And you think they look cute? How are they going to develop language when you are giving them the exposure of this language? And when they start talking like that, then the alarm starts ringing. Oh, I have to go to a speech therapist. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? फिर आप परेशान होते हैं. इसी तरह स्टैमरिंग, बच्चे हकला के बात करेंगे, आप घबराते हैं. Why? Because children, they have the urge to talk, and when they come to talk to you, and when they are discussing something to you, you're so engaged and you're so busy in your work. आप कहते जल्दी बात करो, क्या मसला है, मैं बिजी हूँ, अभी अभी टाइम नहीं मेरे पास, बोलो जल्दी बोलो. यहाँ आप डांटते हैं. And the children, when they look at this, वो घबरा के जल्दी जल्दी अपनी बात कहते हैं, डरते हैं, and then stammering starts. हकलाना शुरू होता है. फिर गलत abusive language. So be very careful what kind of seed you are sowing, because the same kind of plant is going to come up. क्या कहते थे हमारे बड़े? बबूल का बीज बोएंगे तो गुलाब का फूल नहीं निकलेगा. Right? So, and then again, these children, they can move all the time. They want to move. They have the urge to be physically active. Their span of concentration is so short, so they can focus only for a very short time. They can focus only for a very short time, so we need to be careful. Their senses help them to connect with the world. Now, these senses are like a key to the world. We have designed the pre-nursery classes keeping all these things in mind. And thus, our program is strictly based on the activity-based learning style and is covering all the core areas of development. What are the core areas of development? It is physical, which is the fine and gross motor movement. When the children are holding things, it is the gross motor movement. When they are walking, it is the gross motor movement. When they are pinching, when they are holding a pencil, they are using these fingers, it is fine motor movements. इनको भी डेवलप करना है. Emotional intelligence, emotional requirements, religious requirements, social, emotional, mental, intellectual, all these things need to be catered. Our activities are based around all these areas, and whatever we are doing, whatever we are giving based on all these areas. Time to time, the activities that we'll be using, they'll be covering all these areas. The subject that we'll be introducing, there'll be all these areas, and it will be all integrated teaching. Subjects are not taught differently, but if we are teaching numbers, then numbers automatically involve colors. If we are teaching a poem, it will be involving religion, it will be involving manners, it will be involving language. So whatever is there is integrated, is given in integrated style. हम अलग से isolate करके कुछ नहीं दे सकते. When we teach stories, when we tell stories, again stories में भी हम focus करते हैं कि language का exposure हो, culture का exposure हो, science is given, maths is given. So because the children are absorbing everything as a whole and not in parts. And then what do we start with? Do we start, Assalamu alaikum children, oh you're in the class, let's start with numbers today. No. We start with the greeting time. Excuse me.
Mrs. Waqar, ये कुछ parents, they're a little worried, and that is why we want to reassure you. Actually, yes, we are all worried because these are worrying times. But at the same time, अगर हम ये समझें कि कोई worry अगर आती है या कोई नयापन आता है, उससे हम घबरा जाएं, तो it will become very, very, and the child affected by the parents' restlessness and worry. So first of all, dear parents, all of you have to relax, okay? All of this is new for everybody. What is happening is not normal or ideal. Soon, inshallah, Allah Ta'ala willing, we are going to be back physically in school. Allah has been really kind to Pakistan. that the corona cases are dropping and situation is relatively better. So we are going to, as soon as the government gives the permission, we are going to start the physical classes. Because continuously, I'm reading the chat where parents are saying that this is going to be very difficult. We are not saying it's going to be easy, but this is the reality now. And you have to let the child and educate them and be adaptable to the new situation. Because I know this is orientation session. Beta Yasir ne likha hai, my son is asking to watch a cartoon on laptop. Look, this is because this session is not for them at all. Let them go and play. So don't let them. भाई वो इसमें क्या enjoy करेंगे कि यहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी ख़वातीन बैठ के कुछ भाषण दे रही हैं और पता नहीं क्या क्या बोल रही हैं. हम तो उनसे बात भी नहीं इस वक्त करना चाह रहे.
डॉक्टर मलिहा ऐसे ही है ना, जब हम बच्चे थे और हमारे पेरेंट्स की डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखते थे तो हम खामोशी से उड़ जाते थे वहां से.
बिल्कुल. तो इस वक्त जो बच्चा खेलना चाहता है प्लीज उनको जाने दे. लेट देम एंजॉय लाइफ. This orientation session is primarily for the parents. जब हमारा स्कूल नॉर्मल चलता है हम हर साल यही करते हैं कि पेरेंट्स को बुलाते हैं. और हाँ ये भी है कि इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी रिस्की इनिशियली. जब स्कूल खुलेंगे भी आप सही कह रहे हैं कि पहले बड़ी क्लासेस के लिए खुलेंगे, तो ये आप तो नहीं चाहेंगे कि अगर बच्चा घर पे भी है तो सारा वक्त वो स्पेंड करे कार्टून देखने में या खेल कूद में. तो वही टेक्नोलॉजी जो आपके घरों में है ऑलरेडी उसको हम एक यूजफुल तरीके से इस्तेमाल करने की कोशिश करेंगे मिल के. तो इसलिए इस वक्त तो आपके बच्चे जाहिर है बोर ही होंगे क्योंकि हम इस वक्त आपको कुछ बड़ों को समझाना चाह रहे हैं. ठीक है. तो मिसेस वकार प्लीज यही बात बच्चे को खेलने दे, कार्टून देखने दे किसी और डिवाइस पे.
अभी हमारी बातचीत उनको भी डॉक्यूमेंट्री लग रही होगी. Because when we
बिल्कुल जी. चलिए आगे बढ़िए.
Because when we deal with the children it is very different. Right now we are talking to you adult, but when we talk to them we deal in a different way and we talk with this. Hello children, how are you? Are you in the... Oh, you're there. We are enjoying the class. You're there in the class. And see, Mr. Bani is there to meet you and greet you. We deal with the children like this.
जो कैमरा अब्दुल बारी में एक बच्चा बैठा है वो फौरन अट्रैक्ट होगा, मगर मैं तो अब्दुल बारी या जो भी बच्चे से तो बात ही नहीं करना चाह रही. मैं तो अब्बा से बात करना चाह रही हूँ. तो मोहम्मद अब्दुल बारी जिनका आईडी है तो वो प्लीज अपने बच्चे को जाके खेलने दें इस वक्त. उस पे ये जुल्म ना करें. अभी तो आप हमारी बातें सुन लीजिए. चलिए वो जा सकते हैं बच्चे. जी.
So we have the circle time and the circle time and the circle time is based on interesting activities where different puppets, different characters are there and we talk about different things and we make sure and we interact with the child in such a way that the child is made to look at us, and the mothers, we have to be there. We can't leave the children alone. And when we talk about in the circle time, we talk about different things. We do storytelling, we do music, poems and rhymes, all of that. And the children, they love it. Poems and rhyme with action songs where they can move around. The music teacher is there. And all this attracts the child. We have the phonics. पेरेंट्स यहाँ मेरी आप लोगों से एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि जब हम फोनिक्स की बात करते हैं तो प्लीज बच्चों को ABCD मत सिखाइएगा. फोकस, मैंने आपसे कहा ना, यू आर लर्निंग एज वेल, द चिल्ड्रन आर लर्निंग, बट द थिंग इज दैट व्हेन व्हाटएवर वी आर टीचिंग, प्लीज द सेम वे you reinforce the same thing at home. Don't differ from that because it is going to create a contradiction for the child. So phonics, उर्दू, हम उर्दू पे भी स्ट्रेस करेंगे. उर्दू की भी कहानियां होंगी. म्यूजिक क्यों होगी? क्योंकि म्यूजिक फॉर द सेक ऑफ म्यूजिक नहीं होगी. उनमें बैलेंस, उनमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग, टाइम आउट देखना, हर चीज के साथ बच्चे की एक इंटीग्रेटेड टीचिंग होगी. एंड alongside with that, I need now Miss Mariam to let you know what and how are you going to connect with us? The Google Classroom, the online teaching, it cannot do anything with, it cannot do without the Google Classroom. Miss Mariam, can you talk a little about the Google Classroom and how are the children, parents going to use the Zoom links?
जी मिस मरियम ताहिर को अनम्यूट कर दीजिए मिस नादिया, तो वो फिर हमें बताएंगी जी। अब देखिए ये भी यही होता है कि इस तरह से टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस आते हैं मगर हिम्मत नहीं हारता, क्यों मिस मरियम? हम लोग तो नहीं हारते।
बिल्कुल नहीं, अस्सलाम वालेकुम,
हारना नहीं चाहिए।
Welcome to the orientation meeting. And I'm so super excited to see such a lovely audience over here who can see us, who can hear us. And as Mrs. Wakar and Dr. Malia, they have rightly said that these are the different times and we need to be cooperative and collaborative with all of us, the parents and the students and the teachers with the management. And I feel it's a little super exciting. See, your child is going to be there with you, attending the class. So you have also got this opportunity of being there in the real classroom. In a normal situation, you are not supposed to be there in the real class. And the other thing is that he is not going to go through that detachment part, that you have to leave him in the class and he's crying for you because we are going to be new for him. So that part has also been resolved through these online classes. You can sit with your child, you can actually attend. The first-hand knowledge is also there with you. You can learn with the child, spend that quality time with him. And so that is how your learning is going to be enhanced with the children. So I would request that now the next part is that we have to be like you just logged in Zoom account. So this is how we are going to be calling. We will be conducting our lessons online live sessions. Before that, you must have had your Google IDs and you have to log in from the Google. You have to sign in with that ID. You have to connect with enter your password. And then there we go into your Gmail and can you see these icons, these dots? You just have to click and see this Google Classroom appears. Click over there. So you will have, your class is going to be there, like pre-nursery is right there. You just need to click on the pre-nursery and see this is the first page which is visible to the parent. This is called the stream. So all the new announcements, any pre-announcements, they will be posted here on the stream. And I just want to say one thing, that the pre-announcement means that whatever is going to happen in a certain class, that is the material or whatever is supposed to be there during that live session, the parents will be, a pre-announcement will be made over here on the stream so that you can arrange that material, whatever is going to be asked for beforehand. So we will be guiding you. We will be posting a pre-announcement here 2 days prior the actual class. All right. So this page is also really important. You need to check it every now and then. Then we move on to the classwork. See, this classwork page has all the topics. If you can see, the topics are there. There we go. Thank you, Ms. Nadia, for supporting us. This attendance and Zoom links. So all the Zoom links will be posted under this heading, under this topic. So you need to just click here and then you will go to the specific Zoom link and then you will have to mark the attendance. There will be a question over there. You will have to mark the attendance of your child and then click on that blue lines होंगी वहाँ पर, जो आप जब click करेंगे तो you will be directly into the live session. Which for that you need to be careful that your child is up and about before time. He has had his breakfast, washed up, sitting smartly with you. And then one more thing, yes, Ms. Nadia, we will also be posting the live recordings. For instance, if you miss out some session, you can always see and make your child see the live recordings of those sessions, which will be beneficial for you and the child. We also have the topics are right here: English phonics, numbers, Urdu, and we also have music and PE, which is going to be there in the live session, and the recordings are going to be uploaded as well in the Google Classroom.
Miss Mariam, I don't know why some parents are saying they can't hear you. Could you be a little, I know you're a very soft-hearted lady because
I'm
and a
trying to be
gentle.
very loud.
Yes.
All right, that's okay. So this is how we are going to go about in the Google Classroom. Everything is going to be posted there. The timetables is also going to be there. So you can exactly know the time of your class, the session, when the session is going to begin, and you need to be on time. This is the most important part. Actually, you just need to now train your child that he has to be, देखिए अगर वो रात को जल्दी सोएंगे, sleeping timings are really important.
Very right, Miss Mariam.
If they are going to sleep early, they will wake up early. So you need to work on that. थोड़ी सी आपको जरा सा काम करना पड़ेगा, और आपको खुद साथ, I know the mothers need to be really active. If they will sleep early, they will definitely rise early, and they can have their breakfast beforehand, and they'll be fresh and ready for the classes. So I'll just hand over the mic to Mrs. Nusrat Bakar so that we can further proceed with the program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Mariam, for your enlightening talk and guiding us how to use the Google Classroom, because that was very, very important. Yes, Miss Mariam, you are very right. We are going to have the live sessions, and the recordings are going to be there as well. But parents, you need to understand that the recordings, yes, they have been going to be put up for your support, for your help, that if you miss any live class, you can use the recordings. But please remember that the recordings are not the substitute for the live ones. Make sure that the children are there, because the live sessions are interactive. Recordings are going to be there as a passive person listening, watching. But in the live sessions, the child is going to be interacting with the teacher. So make sure not to miss them unless there is some urgency. Secondly, as Ms. Mariam said, make sure that your child is ready for the session. बच्चों को नींद से उठा के बिठा देंगे. Okay, Ms. Tamina. Ms. Tamina would like to say something. Over to you, Ms. Tamina.
Please introduce her.
Ms. Tamina is the head of the QEC department. She's our deputy head of academics. Yes, sorry. Ms. Tamina.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Malia and Nusrat and Ms. Mariam, for telling the parents about all these things. But, you know, looking at the chats, I can see that parents are more worried to tell us about their problems rather than listening us. So I think we will spend a little more time for this, and then we will be listening to the parents. But, you know, especially the mothers who are worried that they are full-time, you know, working women, and they have to work and they have to go to work. So there is no support for the children at home. So mothers, we have to understand that even if your child is going to the physical classes, then also you will have to spare some time for the child, either mother or father. One has to be, or any other person who is, you know, near to the child and the child is familiar with, that person needs to spend some time during the physical classes as well, right? And as Ms. Mariam told you, that we will be uploading the recorded sessions as well. Whatever will happen in the live sessions will be uploaded. And, you know, if not in the beginning, your child is ready to attend the cartoons rather than attending your session. So, you know, you can, it's up to you. You have to make up that mindset of the child. ये cartoons को भी वो physically कभी Tom and Jerry को भी physically कभी नहीं मिला ना ये बच्चा आपका, लेकिन वो scroll करना सीखा, उसने cartoons देखे, बाज़ बच्चे कोकोमेलन देखते हैं और बहुत सारे rhymes देखते हैं, वो उन characters से familiar हो जाते हैं. That is why, you know, this age is called pre-operational age. जब हम cognitive development की बात करते हैं, so this is the pre-operational age from 2 years to 7 years. और इसमें, as Mrs. Bakar mentioned, कि sponge की तरह से होता है. So, बच्चा observation से सुनकर, देखकर अपनी सारी जितनी भी सेंसरी मोटर स्किल्स हैं उन सबको यूज करते हुए बहुत कुछ सीखता है. So the element of learning through online cannot be eliminated. आप तजर्बा कर चुके कि वो टॉम एंड जेरी से कितना सीख रहा है, वो डोरा से कितना सीख रहा है, वो और कार्टून्स देखकर या और राइम्स देखकर के ऑनलाइन उनसे सीख रहा है. तो जब वो वहां से सीख सकता है, तो when the child will be interacting with the teacher, रोजाना उसके सामने वही एक फेस आएगा, पपेट शोज होंगे. हमने अपनी जो एक्टिविटीज हैं वो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम चॉक बोर्ड लेकर के बैठ जाएंगे और बच्चे को पढ़ाना शुरू कर देंगे. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज दैट द गर्ल्स एंड द टीचर्स आर गोइंग टू टेल you about. So we will be listening you at the end of this session, inshallah. So we will make sure that we will listen to each and every parent whoever has concerns, and we will try to address the concerns, inshallah. And time to time, this is not the only session we are having with you. Time to time we will be having sessions with you to tell you, like today's session is about what and why, that what are we going to teach and why are we going to teach that way, right? The how part will be communicated to you, and we cannot do it all alone. Even if they are coming to the physical classes, your support would be needed in that phase as well. So you will be trained by us. अगर बच्चा उस वक्त फौरन वो चीज नहीं कर रहा है, you will see the recordings and you can guide the child accordingly. So this is an extra advantage of these online classes for you. So over to you, Ms.
Thank you, Ms. Amina. Thank you, Ms. Amina. And I think these online classes gradually are becoming a need of time. और हम इनको, yes, they have to be there. So now, yes.
And Mrs. Waqar, and if at any stage parents feel a little confused, they can always reach out to us. और जैसे
we are always there.
जी, मिस मरियम ने गूगल क्लासरूम समझाया, तो यकीन मानिए कि पहली दफा हम टीचर्स और हेड्स भी गूगल क्लासरूम को कुछ नहीं समझ पाए थे. हमारे लिए भी कई ट्यूटोरियल्स रखे गए, और उसी तरह हम पेरेंट्स को जो आते हैं, हमारे असिस्टेंट्स उनको हेल्प कर रही हैं. तो एक दफा पढ़ने से तो ये भी है कि कुरान शरीफ को भी कितनी दफा आप पढ़ते हैं तो हर दफा एक नया मायना, एक नया जाविया, कोई भी किताब पढ़ते हैं या कोई भी नई चीज इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो प्लीज पहली दफा में घबराइए नहीं. इफ यू didn't understand how to attend a Google Classroom, you will be explained at each, and you will be helped out at each and every step. We're always here, and there is a WhatsApp official helpline as well, which you can also message on, and your queries will be attended. Yes, Mr. Waqar, I think थोड़ा सा वो interesting, आप अपना colorful दिखाइए तो teachers किस तरह से क्या
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Now, as I told you, the children, their hands are their tools of intelligence, and in this age, it cannot be rote learning. यहाँ पे ये नहीं हो सकता कि the teacher speaks and the children understand. It has to be hands-on learning, activity-based learning, learning by doing. एक Chinese proverb है, what I hear, I forget. What I see, I remember. What I do, I understand. So let's see how are we going to implement it. A little exposure to you regarding the book set, regarding the resource bag. आपको एक resource bag मिला है, उसका भी हम आपको थोड़ा सा view देंगे, and the material that we are going to use time to time, so you can get a little exposure about it. Over to you, Ms. Abir Arif and Ms. Amina Moheb. They are our experienced and trained teachers, so they will give you a little exposure about the material and all the activities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Waqar. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Dear parents, today I will tell you about the book sets and the resource bag that has been given to you, that we'll be using in our online classes and in school as well. First of all, I will tell you about the things that has been given to you. Yes, you have been provided with these pre-writing exercises. Yes, tracing patterns, and this pre-writing exercise board. So the child is going to work on it. It will act like a whiteboard.
Right.
There are few
so
other...
they can, Ms. Amina, they can trace with the whiteboard marker and they can erase it also.
Yes, Mrs. Waqar. Actually, they are going to put this pre-writing exercise board here in this L bag along with this pre-writing tracing pattern. And the
Right.
child is going to write on this L bag. So it will become a whiteboard and children can easily erase it.
So it is reusable.
Yes, so it
Thank
is
you.
reusable and children can do practice on it. We are giving few computer papers also that we'll be needing in our art classes and art activities. Now this is an apron has been given to you. Children will be using it in their art classes and in water exercises. Now, Ms. Abir, can you just point out that smiley face necklace? Yes, here. This smiley face necklace and this hand printing card, here it is. We'll be using it for activity in our online classes. And I'm sure children are definitely going to enjoy it. Now I will talk about the book sets that have been kept at school. We'll be giving it to children when they'll come back and join the school. Join the physical school, I mean.
So you mean to say, Ms. Amina, that these are there in the book, they are part of the book set, but we have kept them in the school for the time being.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
This is the notice copy. This is medical record book. This is first term portfolio. There are few worksheets.
Can you show them a little from the inside part, Ms. Amina?
Yes.
Can you open them from us?
Yes, sure, ma'am. It has been divided into different portions like art worksheets.
And the teachers themselves have made it.
Letter
These are not
worksheets.
purchased, you cannot find them in the market.
Then
All right,
second
Ms.
term
Amina.
art worksheet and number worksheet. So we have given few worksheets from this portfolio that we will use in our online classes. Apart
All
from
right.
those worksheets, this portfolio is in the school and we have kept it safely and we'll be
And it
using
will,
it.
yes.
Yes, and we'll be
Right.
using it in the school. When
And
the
what about the Quran Takhti, Ms. Amina?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, let me just tell about these workbooks and then I will come on that Quran Takhti also. These are the workbooks used in the second term. One is for phonics and one is for numbers. We'll be using it in the second term. So all these are in the school. Now, this Quran Takhti,
The dua
we
card.
read and teach this dua card with tajweed, with proper tajweed. Because if we will teach the clear and right concept in the basics, so it will be helpful for the child in the later stages. So it's better to teach everything very clear and with tajweed at this stage. So we will teach the takhti with tajweed and all the duas, tawus, tasmiyah, and kalmas, and all the duas with proper tajweed. Then we have these ORT books for developing the English literacy.
And they are the wordless books. There
Yes,
are no
they are
words
the
involved.
Yes.
Picture comprehension only.
Yes, yes. So children expresses their ideas very clearly whenever they are reading these books.
Ms. Abir,
And-
can you guide us a little about the material?
Thank you so much, parents. Over to you, Ms. Abir.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Amina.
Thank you, Mrs. Bakar. Dear parents, as Mrs. Bakar quoted, the famous proverb, I hear, I forget, I see, I remember, I do, I understand. So the same is for a child. For this we have given the resource bag.
Oh, so the resource bag, it is there. Wow.
Yes, it is here, Mrs. Bakar. This is the resource bag. And we
Right.
have to work on this. This resource bag contains many materials with which we will be integrating different activities.
Yes, parents, this resource bag is there in which different material is there, which we'll be using time to time. And you have to be very careful about this resource bag because the material that is there in the bag, we will be integrating those material in our online classes, and the same the children will be using at home so they can relate with what is happening in the live classes.
Can we check the sound of Miss
Miss,
Abir?
yes, Miss Abir, can you speak a bit louder?
Okay, miss. Am I audible now?
Can you take the mic of Miss Amina?
Yes.
Can you,
all this goes on and there's a lot of
Right.
technology being used, but Happy Home Management has been very proactive about providing the peripherals needed
Miss
to
camera.
support
Camera
technology. Ji.
We can hear you.
all right. Miss Abir, can you carry on now?
Yes, miss. Am I audible now? Can you
Yes.
hear me?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Thank you, Mrs. Vakar. As Mrs. Vakar quoted, I hear, I forgot. I see, I remember. I do, I understand. So the same is for the child also. And for this, we have provided the resource bag. This is the resource bag in which there are many material which we will be integrating for a number of activities. We have given the Play-Doh, and with this Play-Doh, the writing activities will be done. For example, the hand will be prepared for fine and gross motor skills. We are going to make shapes with this. We are going to feel it. The child is going to feel the softness of the Play-Doh. And with this, we will do some textures activities also. We have also given pom-poms. The child will use his index fingers and thumb, which is going to be used for the indirect preparation of writing. Because parents, pencil is an important tool, which should never be handed to this child unless the hand is prepared for writing. And with all these activities, we are going to prepare the hand of the child for writing. We have the popsicle sticks. The child will use his fingers again. So you can see many activities over here are integrated. Oh, look, the sand is also here in the sand bag, in this resource bag. We have provided the sand also, with which shapes, letters, and numbers will be traced out.
Miss Abir, excuse me, how are we going
Mrs.
to
Vakar.
integrate the sand tray with the material that we are using in the class?
Miss, for this, we can also use the semolina or the sand tray. We can use the all-purpose flour also. So it's not necessary to only use the sand. We can also use other material, for example.
And we are also using the sandpaper numbers, which we can relate with
Sandpaper
this.
numbers, yes, the sandpaper numbers are here. This is the Montessori material. And we will be guiding our parents to make it themselves. We will be
If they wish to, otherwise they can use the sand tray for that.
the same thing, yes. These are the
Because
sandpaper numbers
parents-
and the sand.
Parents, they feel these textures with their hands, so the impressions are recorded better.
Yes.
And their parents have to be there. Yes, Miss Mariam, you are right. The parents need to be there when the children are using this material. And then we have begging.
Any adult. Any adult in the house.
Any adult.
Along with the Montessori material, in Happy Home, we also use the ECE material. And this pre-writing.
What do you mean by ECE, Miss Abir?
Abir, yes.
Dr. Maliha, this ECE material is the handmade material. And you can see
ECE stands for Early Childhood.
Early Childhood Education. Yes. For the early years of the child. Early years education. This pre-writing board is a great example of the ECE material.
We have only used a
Right.
piece of carton and it is inserted and the child can
Good.
reuse it.
Recycle
can-
this, right.
Yes.
Recycle material which is
Recycling is the
already,
need of the day.
Exactly. We are working on low cost material. So they can erase it and reuse it.
We
All
use
these.
the recycled material with Dr. Maliha, and alongside with it, the Happy Homes the school system, the management, they never hesitate in bringing the new material in school, whether how much costly it is, but we keep on bringing them, we keep on adding them in the classes that the children can learn better by working with them.
good, good. And there are so many things, these pegs are in the home already. I'm sure जो माएँ हैं जब कपड़े धुल रहे हैं घर में तो ये आपके clothes pegs तो हो सकते हैं घर में ऐसे ही मौजूद होंगे.
जी, लेकिन डॉक्टर मलिहा शायद वो अवेयरनेस के ये क्यों रखे हुए हैं?
के लिए
These, your index finger, your middle finger, your thumb, they are needed for the pencil grip. और जब आप pegs को, या सबीर, can you do it?
Yes, miss.
को आप press and release करते हैं तो these fine motor movements, they really are good coordination develops. So we use this and it is indirect preparation for writing.
Exactly.
Dear parent, Miss Mariam, actually the sandpaper, the main aim objective is to give them a textured feeling. So if you want to make the sandpaper letter, you can even use the formic paper, formic sheet that is there. If you're not having the formic sheet, use the cartons, the shoe boxes. उनके cutouts बनाइए, just an uprised feeling. कि बच्चा feel करे and they can trace on that. And the sandpaper is there also.
जी, या कोई मखमल हो घर पे या कोई भी कपड़ा, खद्दर का कपड़ा हो, आप उसको सिर्फ फील करवाना है तो थोड़ा सा आप इनोवेटिव भी हो सकते हैं घर पे और अपनी मदद आपके तहत आप कोई भी कपड़े की कतरन तो बहुत से होते हैं घर पे.
Because when they use that textured face, that textured surface, for example curve, and they are doing it again and again, that in the tracing, the formation gets recorded in their mind, and when they are writing, they recall that formation.
Okay, good. तो अब हम आपको आप tracing दिखा रही हैं अभी?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. I want to show the tracing to the patterns because when we are rubbing the hands, this impression is directly hitting the mind. And when the child is writing with the pencil, at that time, the impression of the mind recalls. So this is the main purpose of introducing the sandpaper letters or the sandpaper numbers. We have the sandpaper numbers, sandpaper letters, and this is the Montessori material to which Mrs. Nusrat Waqar and you people are demonstrating that we can use it and make it in ECE also. So we can make the sandpaper numbers or sandpaper letters in low-cost material also.
Gee, Ms. Sabir, actually when we are giving them an exposure of this material, it's to let them understand that this material, some is ready-made, some can be prepared. For example, Ms. Sabir, can you show them threading bead, the actual material?
Yes, this is the actual material of threading
beads. But then again, we realize we are stringing these material in the shoelace. But then again, we are realizing when the child is doing it, from where are you going to get this material? So can you see right next to it, Ms. Abhi, can you show the pool noodles?
This is the actual material. And we have integrated the material with ECE.
With pool noodles.
These are the pool noodles. And the children
and they are there in the resource bag.
We have only used a shoelace. And we have cut and made the
and we are going to use them in a variety of way to give you
a variety of way. Yes, sometimes we can use it in stacking. Sometimes we can do it in color sorting. And there are many different ways which the parent will be watching it in the in the classroom.
Thank you, Ms. Sabir.
Thank you so much,
indeed.
Mrs.
It was a
Waqar.
very enlightening session.
Thank you.
You gave us an exposure of the material. And now parents, you have been asking a lot of questions regarding how do the children take the online classes, what are they doing, how will we tell them. So we will be catering to those questions. But why don't we give you a visual experience? We let you see a video of the children in the online classes, during the online classes in the Happy Home School system. Miss Nadia, can you run that for us?
और ये एक्चुअल हमारे बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं जी
और ये तो चंद glimpses है Dr. Maliha. It's such an enjoyable experience watching them do it.